The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794-250646.
The protest by the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association AMSNSA, which began on the 31st of July 2024, has now lasted for 6 days and 5 nights. The association members are calling for an 80% salary increase, among other demands which the state government has yet to address. The association's General Secretary Barikupar Mylliemngap reported while the protest continues, some members are not participating and have returned to their duties. Mylliemngap criticized these members for undermining the association's collective efforts aimed at improving conditions for all its members.
Te hapreng kan ujung kejing ki ujung ni nadu kawasadang juga ni sengi bat hadu kan ngapor kamanta te kum ginong yalam juga asion ni penpau ke jisusi bat ke jisukia namar balai bang itep ba kidang don kibriu kibadai kinok paranong trejungi kibam tre ba kibam kuak mani simentalang bat ni hakan kejing ki ham kerpange na kamanta jong kini ki staff kiba tray hapo ka directorate namar ngilap ha kibre ko jungi begin lepek kilap UI ba don kiba lek pantray te kani ke penpau ya ke jung ngosi yangi ba apa dengan ke jungi ki jungi kidang don kiba kum gini kilang yong kiban penken ya ke ke ba kum ka asosiasyon ngilerai te nakali yang jungi kentu gini ki paranong tray ba kin perkhat temai kin don ya kita kemensiam ban perkhat nang ta ka jingbet ke jingbiang lang yang baru nomor kadi ke ki jungi endang jok kan mio jingmentoi tang yangi endra kan mio jingmentoi lang ya baru.
In response to reports about the formation of a new rationalization committee to address the association's issues, Association President Jennifer Sunrem dismissed the claims as unfounded. She affirmed that the indefinite sit-in will continue until all demands are met.
Semua banyak pensyaingi kalau kata nama bab ngai itu hangga strike itu kan new committee bilang kata kadika bam syong nong rem kan dan kata kada ngi iu katu kalaban misconcept nama pitip hingi dang don kecing ki dang don rubat ka sarkari tim ko abang sarkaru kan sutu bak laingi kimi ko abang nyo I hok la jong what is just and right which is all right semua bahwa ya what let ka don't play with our sentiments kani ka strike kadang they sit in demonstration ni dang continue ka sit in demonstration ni impak lech ka hang bas strike lada ka shu ai ben kadi ka basuk eh lalor ki ong ka kum ka economic survey ni kani Meghalaya is one of the poorest state in India. Ni songsi ben oya kata andre kat baka central ki pisa ki poite kata kadi ka poorest state tu lele si odi bengim nang pendan kam ne yo dei bagi kwa ingi bin wan be chini kadi ka sarkar ka kwa be ingi bin wan be ko madan bengin haban semua besngap kata ka jismo ko jongi ne ki kwa ban no plat mo education de very sensitive